Hey y'all, today I'm going to walk you through posting a journal entry and editing it after the fact. So let's jump in. We're going to go to the General Ledger application and then to Journal Entries. We're going to be in the General Journal. Most of your journal entries are going to be posted here. If not, it's going to be a very specific use case. So let's go to the General Journal. So you can see I've got some accruals here with their reversals and depreciation for office furniture. Let's go ahead and add depreciation for a new truck we bought this month. And we'll just post it to the correct departments in the correct location and accounts. Then this is going to be accumulated depreciation vehicles. And then once you've entered all your data, you can have honestly as many lines as you want. 20 is just the default. You're going to hit post. And there it is, posted. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and post the office furniture for this month. So instead of reinventing the wheels and entering all the data from scratch again, we're going to go into the one from last month and we're going to duplicate it. It's going to pull in all of the information from the prior journal entry. It's going to set the journal and the book, the description, all the same. It's going to put today's date as a default. So I'm going to change that to the end of this month. It's going to ask me for this, and I'll go ahead and hit yes. If you're in multi-currency, you'll have to deal with that. And then I'm just going to hit post. Easy, much faster than creating it from scratch. But say this month we bought a little bit more office furniture and we need to increase how much depreciation we have for office furniture. So I'm going to go in and edit. Pretty simple. If you have permissions to do so, you can edit journal entries after they've posted very easily just by going and hitting edit here. So when you're editing, you can change a lot of things. You can change everything but the book it's been posted to and the journal it's been posted to. You can add lines if you need to. And you can change everything in the entry section here. So let's just go ahead and increase the amount. We just added a couple desks, so we'll just add another $200. And we'll hit save. Special consideration for items that have been reversed. If you're going to edit the original or the reversal, you're going to get this box here saying all the changes in this journal will also be reflected by the reversal. Do you want to continue? You can hit OK, or you can hit cancel just to edit the original ones. But I'm going to hit OK because we put this expense accrual for the electricity utility charge to the wrong department. And I want not to our electrical department, it's for operations. So I'm going to put it there and I'm going to hit save. And let's go check out the reversal and see that it changed it here as well. The only times you cannot edit a journal entry is if it's posted to a period that has been closed. If it's a posted line for a cash account that has been reconciled, you cannot edit that reconciled cash line. And if you have journal entry approvals on, you cannot edit it once it's been approved. After that, you can reclassify it, but there are things you cannot do in a reclassification. You cannot change the amounts, you cannot change the dates, and you cannot change or add any lines. So those are the things you can't edit. Most of the time, you can. But that's all I got for y'all.